Morning children, how are you all? Hope all are fine. I'm very happy to teach you today. Hope all will enjoy the class. Let us come to the topic. In our 7th class, there are 15 chapters are there. So today we are going to discuss about the first chapter, that is integers. So in this chapter integers, you know very well, already you learn about number system. Already you know very well natural numbers and whole numbers. Already we learn in lower classes. Today we are discussing first number system definitions. So you observe here natural numbers. The first one is natural numbers. You observe the counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. You know very well natural numbers. Here you observe set of natural numbers. N, capital N equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 dash. So you observe here starting number is 1. So that is the smallest natural number. And biggest or greatest natural number is undefined. We can't say, because you observe dash is there, so there is no ending natural number. That's why we can't define the biggest or greatest natural number. The next one, you observe the definition whole numbers. Whole numbers, you know very well, the collection of positive or natural numbers along with zero. Positive nothing but natural numbers along with zero are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. You observe here set of whole numbers. W equals to 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 dash, like that. So smallest whole number is 0, and same here biggest or greatest whole number is undefined. We can't say the greatest number. So now come to the point. The chapter number is integers. So you observe here integers definition you observe. So the collection of positive numbers, negative numbers and along with zero. Here positive and negative along with zero are called integers. Integers are denoted by capital I or capital Z. So there are two letters here. Okay now. So next here I, here set of integers you observe starting dash is there, because we don't know the starting integer, so we don't know the ending integer here. So middle you know very well 0, and right side positive numbers and left side negative numbers. So that's why here there is no starting and there is no ending numbers integers. So that's why smallest and greatest numbers are undefined, are not defined. So we can't define the smallest and greatest. So here I am explaining a number line. What is a number line? You know very well. You know this is the number line. So here number line, first of all middle 0. We have to write the 0 in the middle of the number line. So right side positive numbers, here left side negative numbers, we should mention. So here you observe carefully, here number line is there. So positive and negative and along with 0. So you observe the number line. If you go to from left to right side, the value will be increasing. For example 5 is there. 5 is the greater than remaining all the numbers which are left side of the 5. So here 3 is the smaller than 5, 2 is the smaller than 5, 1 is the smaller than 5, 0 is the smaller than 5, minus 1 also smaller than 5, minus 2 is the smaller than 5. So you observe here, if you go to left to right, it is the increasing order. So for example I am asking minus 2 and 4, which is small here? The smallest one is minus 2, the greatest one is 4. So you observe like this. For example, I am asking here small minus 3 and minus 1. Which is the smaller one here? Minus 3 is the smaller one and minus 1 is the greatest number than the minus 3. If you go to here right to left side, here decreasing order. Here minus 3 is the smaller than the 5. Minus 2 is the smaller than the 5, minus 1 is the smaller than the 5. Here decreasing order, here increasing order, and this is the decreasing order. I think I hope you understood. One question, for example, minus 2020 and minus 1, which is the greatest one? Greatest one is the minus 1 only. Minus 2020 is the smallest one. So I think, I hope you understood. Next one is, next you know very well, order, ascending and descending order. Do you know ascending and descending order? Ascending order, ascending nothing but here small to big, small to big. For example, -3, 1, 20. So you observe this already in ascending order, small to big, -3, 1, 20. For example, -1, -2, -3. Tell me ascending order, what is the smaller one here? -3 is the smaller, next -2, next -1. These are small to big. This is the ascending order, smallest to biggest numbers. We have to arrange like that. That is called ascending order. Next descending order, descending order nothing but big to small, big to small. For example, -3, -100 and 0 and here 4. So tell me descending order, big to small, big to small nothing but 4 is the bigger one first, next to 0, next to -3, -100, which is bigger one here, -3. So last one is -100. This is the big to small order, 4 comma 0 comma -3 comma -100. You know very well 0 is the bigger than the negative numbers. You know very well that one. This is the ascending and descending order. Next, now here you observe the exercise 1. Exercise 1 is there. Here for the first question, some integers are marked on the number line, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. Here number line is there. These two numbers are marked. Here what are the numbers here? -3 and 2. These two numbers are marked. Here asking which is the biggest and which is the smallest. You know very well what is the answer here. The biggest one is the 2. The smallest one is the -3. You observe the answer once. You observe here the exercise, the first one from figure, the two integers are marked, that is the -2 and -3 and 2. Smallest one is the -3, biggest one is the 2. This is the answer for first problem. Next you observe the second bit. Second bit here asking write the integers between the pair of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. So you observe the first problem I am going to explain here. What are the given integers? -5 comma -10. Here you observe, first of all write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Okay, now we should write the integers between the given integers. So -5 -10, you know very well, you assume the number line here, -5 and -10. Between what are the integers are there? -5, after -6, -7, -8, -9, after -10. These four negative integers are lies between the -5 and -10. These are the numbers. So here completed. Here also choose the biggest and smallest from them, not -5 -10. Here which numbers are lies between them, from that you have to select the biggest and smallest. So you know very well it is a easy one. So -6 is the biggest one, -9 is the smallest one. It is a big and this is the small. Like that you have to complete this bit. Remaining two problems you have to complete it. You know very well, if you have any problem you go to number line, then you can write the answers very easily. And next now third bit nothing but here write the following integers in ascending order, small to big. Already I explained. Here one problem I am going to explain. The first problem you know very well. Here there 4 integers are given, -5, 2, 1, -8. Now we are going to write the ascending order. Now I am write the ascending order. Once you observe the answer here, ascending order nothing but small to big. Once you observe the answer here, given integers are 4. The smallest one in this -8 is the first smaller one, next smaller one -5, next small one, next 2. This is the ascending order, small to big. Next you should complete the remaining problems in this bit. Next fourth one, write the following integers in descending order. Descending order nothing but here big to small order. Big to small, we should write the numbers here. First and second problems are there. I will explain 2 problems in this bit. You should complete the third problem. So once you observe the answers for first 2 problems in the fourth bit. Here you observe the given numbers in the first problem. What are the numbers are given? Only 3 numbers are given here. You observe here -2, -3, -5. So descending order nothing but big to small. Big to small nothing but you know very well. In this bigger one is a -2, you know very well, -2. Next remaining 2, which is the bigger one, -3. So next to last remaining -5. This is the order, descending order. Next to second problem, here also 3 negative integers are given. -8, -2, -1, which is the biggest one here, you know very well. -1 is the biggest one. So next to -2, next to -8. This is the descending order, big to small. This is called descending order. You should complete the third problem. So next to here you observe the fifth problem. Represent 6, -4 and 0 and 4 on the number line. Just you should write the number, draw the number line, middle 0 like that, right side positive and left side negative. You should write some numbers and you mark the numbers. For example, if you require 2, so you mark like this, but here not there 2. Here there are 4 numbers are there, 6, -4, 0 and +4. You should represent these 4 numbers on the same number line, not different number line. Only you should draw the one number line. After that you mark the 4 numbers on the number line. This is the fifth problem. Sixth problem, once you observe already number line given and some digits also given here, some numbers also given on the number line. Here the question is, fill the missing integers on the number line given below. Here you observe some dots are there between, here dots are there. So you should write the integers, which digits are missing, which numbers are missing. You have to write the numbers directly in the number line and draw the number line in the fair note. After that given numbers, what are the given numbers are there, you should write with pen. After that answers write with another ink. Okay now. So next here seventh problem is the very important.